How to add stickers on Discord server mobile. So if you want to add stickers on Discord server, then what you need to do is you just need to go for your browser or Google. So I'll be choosing browser. You can't do that on your application. So open up your browser, and onto your browser you need to simply go for Discord and go for discord.com and make sure to log into your Discord. Now once you've logged into your Discord, what you need to do is you just need to go for your server, any server that you have. Once you're here on the server, you just need to go for the server name, and under that go for server settings. Under server settings here you will have stickers option. Tap on the stickers. Once you tap on stickers, here you can come to the right side, and here you will have 6 stickers overall. So if you want to upload some stickers, or if you want to add some stickers, then you need to simply go for upload sticker. Tap on upload sticker, and from here you can add or upload a sticker. You can choose a file, or you can browse, and you can simply select the related emoji and then create a sticker name and then enter the description of the sticker. And once you've entered everything, you just need to go for upload, which is here on the bottom right. Once you tap on upload, your sticker will be uploaded. So that's how you can add stickers on Discord server, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.